Hey guys, thanks for watching this quick video of the American Girl doll wearing Hmong clothes. There are so many ethnicities that represent the American Girl, and there's so many different groups of Asian people. I think it'd be amazing if there was a Hmong American Girl doll and our story was kept alive through this doll and shared with our daughters. The doll I'm using is called Ivy Ling. She is actually Chinese and the only Asian American Girl doll that American Girl has out. Sadly, in May 2014, American Girl announced that they were discontinuing Ivy and her whole collection. So there's a girl from Minnesota who's petitioning it. Amazing. I think she's only a senior in high school, but that's pretty amazing. I would love to have, have them keep at least the only Asian American Girl doll that they have in their line. So here I go with the clothes. My mom actually made this outfit for my baby girl I just had. And I bought Ivy recently for her. And so I figured why not put the outfit on Ivy and then have her be a Hmong American Girl doll. So then there's the shirt. And the collar shirt she's wearing is just a onesie I got for my baby girl. I just pinned it in the back so it would be smaller. So then you want to just, crisscross the front there and then pin the front just to keep it in place. I mean, when I was a little girl, I learned about the American Girl dolls through Girl Scouts. And we were like many Hmong families in the early 90s where money was scarce. So I remember always receiving the catalogs in the mail, and then I would cut out those doll size full sheets, remember, where they folded out? And I would cut that out and play with them. I don't know if anyone else did that, but I love doing that. And I never really asked for one. I just knew. I think we all kind of just knew that money was scarce and you don't ask for lavish things, so I never did. And I mean, I don't hold a grudge or anything, but I'm just glad that, my parents have raised me and I've been blessed enough to be able to afford one, I guess. Well, this is a used one anyways, but yeah, hopefully my daughter will enjoy it when she gets bigger. So here's the skirt that I'm putting on her. My mom made it with an elastic, and then she cut a big one up to make that mini one there. And then you have the front, which is called the apron, I guess. You put that on. And I guess this is a good tutorial of how to wear Hmong clothes too. Yeah. And it would be good to show your daughters how, like your little daughters, how to wear Hmong clothes. This would be a good practice for them. And then you have the belt part, or like lang, I believe. You have like that pink, what is it? Pink thick fabric, or that purple thick fabric that they would wrap around your stomach too. But I didn't do that for her. And then you have the back, lulau. That's what they call that part. And then there you go. Hmong American Girl doll. And then the little hat. If you're interested about how to make the hat, I have a tutorial